Me and my friends, we chose to walk Stone Town. We took a local guide show us the things like Zanzibar doors, spice market and workshops. This place has a beautiful attraction, beautiful smelling, and street is different of all streets in Zanzibar.
I'm staying alive, I'm killing the journey, feel something brewing inside of me.
I found a young man playing with children, which make me feel this is my hometown.
Yeah, I learned to stay strong. Concrete in the dirt, I was raised on. Know how to put in work. Grinding all day, you know it's game.
Actually, a street is full for busy people. Which one things make interesting with Stone Town, people say Jambo even if see you once and twice.
How could you be a star if you don't shine and you afraid of the dark? Say you want to be a big fish, but you can't swim with the sharks. Yeah, ain't phased, don't change, still the same when the camera's off. Look smooth, but I'm going hard.
We bought some spice. We went to Spice Market, we saw a lot of spice like cinnamon, clove versus lemongrass and coffee. They sell us a local price, even though we was good on negotiation. Later we went to local shops, which workshops local similar like Kenya Kilimanjaro. I have been there, will show you on my next clip.
I'm staying alive, I'm killing the journey, feel something brewing inside of me. You don't know the whole story, what I had to do and everybody doubted me. Yeah, I learned to stay strong. Concrete in the dirt, I was raised on. Know how to put in work. Grinding all day, you know it's game on. My skin is thick, yeah, it's tough. Running, yeah, we stay alive. Ain't gotta look nowhere else. All of this greatness inside.